Stranger Things Season 5, Volume 1 just dropped, and if you thought the Upside Down has peaked, think again. Volume 1 is jam packed, and I mean jam packed, with psychic twists, military lockdowns, surprise returns, and one of the craziest finales the season has ever pulled off. It's been 3.5 years since we last stepped into Hawkins, but in the story, 18 months have passed since Vecna told reality open. Hawkins? It's no longer a small town. It's a militarized quarantine zone. Under all this chaos, the OG crew is more united and more grown up. Hopper is running regular upside down patrols, Eleven's right there with him, and the rest of the team operates out of a retro radio station turned secret HQ, sending coded messages and tracking Vecna like it's a full-time job. But the Duffers didn't just give us nostalgia. Oh no, they gave us callbacks, new kids, new stakes, and a story that's not afraid to remind us that this isn't 1983 anymore. The kids are older, the world is darker, and the enemy is evolving. Dustin, haunted by Eddie's death, is spiraling, angrier, colder, and honestly, it's one of the best performances of the season. But Will Byers, oh boy, because the biggest shock of Volume 1, Will unlocks his own psychic powers. For years, he has been Vecna's passive passenger, connected to the hive mind but unable to fight back. But in this finale, Sorcerer Will snaps. He seizes control of the hive mind, freezes the Demogorgons midair, and crushes them, the same way that Vecna did his victims. Will isn't the kid who gets goosebumps anymore. He is now on the same power level as Eleven, Vecna, and Kali, a living weapon and a wild card in this war of reality. Volume 1 expands the Upside Down more than ever, bigger, sharper, and more cinematic. But the real twist isn't just the monsters, it's the humans. And despite all the nostalgia, Hawkins is changing. New kids like Holly Wheeler and Derek steps into the spotlight, echoing the early seasons and reminding us how far the show and its cast have come. Everything in Volume 1 builds towards the cinematic Chapter 4 showdown that feels like the show's biggest, boldest swing yet. Every storyline, every character turn tightens towards one truth. The final battle between the right side up and the upside down is here, and Vecna isn't just the only one evolving. So here's the real question. With Will now awakened, Eleven facing a government she can't still trust, and Vecna plotting his next move. Drop your predictions below because this war is just getting started. Thank you for watching.